Okay, it's been a long time since we've uploaded something. I wanted to give you an update on what we've been up to and why we haven't been uploading. This is going to be a very short video, but we haven't been uploading because I've been out on work, travel, things where it's stuff where I can't really video a lot. But I will give you a snippet of the things I've been doing. This is where I'm at. Tell me that's like not ridiculously gorgeous. We're in Keystone, Colorado for InstructureCon. That is my company's annual user conference. So you can imagine I'm actually working here, right? Like I'm working with people, interacting with them, and I can't be out like videoing all the time. But I did catch a couple of fun things. So I'll roll that footage, let you guys see what I've been up to, and I'll catch you when I get back home. Okay, so now you see what I've been up to. Super fun, gorgeous, fun atmosphere. I'm coming home today. Get to see my girls, haven't seen them in a little while. And I will definitely be getting the studio together and my office space at home and start producing tons of more content. Can't wait to see you guys there. If you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of it. So now that I'm home from InstructureCon and all the fun things there, this is what I have. It's my cute little family all cuddled up on our couch. Yeah, that's the best.